Okay, so you guys have been asking from a long time how to enable 5G on OxygenOS 11. So today in this video we'll do the same thing. Here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running on OxygenOS 11 and I do have working 5G on this device. I know not every user is liking OxygenOS 13 or 13.1. A lot of users have already downgraded their device and using OxygenOS 11. But OxygenOS 11 lacks one thing, which was support of 5G services. So for that case, we have done a dedicated video in which we'll be telling you guys how to enable 5G services on your OnePlus smartphone running OxygenOS 11. And in the description, you will find two guides. One is for the Qualcomm. So the guide which I'll be showing you in this video, that is for the Qualcomm devices. But for MediaTek processor, there is another guide which you guys can find it in the description below. And in this process, you need to remember a few things. One, make sure you're using SIM on the slot 1 instead of slot 2. And Jio services, I mean to say Jio 5G won't be working, but you guys still can give it a try. Other operators like Airtel continuously gives me 5G. As you can see here, I have Airtel SIM installed on my device and I'm getting 5G service here. Also, do not miss out on any step. Make sure to watch the entire video and follow what exactly I have done in this video. And before moving ahead, if you guys like a content, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing. And now without wasting any more time, let's start with the process. So to enable 5G on your device which is running OxygenOS 11, you need to download few files. So here you can see I have set of files which includes Qualcomm drivers, engineering mode APK and even OnePlus USB drivers. First of all, let me show you on my device. So if I go to about section, here you can see the device is running on the final build of OxygenOS 11 which was 11.0.11.11. First what you have to do is you need to enable developer option by tapping on the build number 7 times. Once you do that, go to system, developer options and from here enable USB debugging as you can see here. So once you enable USB debugging, if you see any pop-up on the device, just allow the necessary permission and also make sure your PC have the latest ADB drivers. I already have, so I can just type CMD and check for the ADB drivers. So what I'll do is I'll give the command ADB devices. If the drivers are properly installed, I'll see the serial number. So if I hit enter, right now I might get to see a pop-up on the device. So this will be the pop-up. You just have to allow permission and you're good to go. Now if you give the command which is ADB devices and hit enter, you can see the serial number. So ADB drivers are properly installed. I won't have any kind of issues. Once you have downloaded all these files, then we are good to go. So the first step is to install engineering mode APK on your smartphone. Enable file transfer mode, copy this file and place it inside the internal storage. Now install this file. So here you can see this is the file. Settings, allow necessary permissions, install, and we are good to go now. Then on the dial pad you need to dial a number which is *801#. Here you'll see two options after dialing that number which is *801#. From here you need to select engineering mode. Tap on just once and enable engineering mode. Now it's time to install the OnePlus USB drivers. So let's complete the installation process. I've already installed it, but for you guys, I'm again doing it. Now drivers are installed. On your PC, open up device manager. Under others, you might see your device model number with this yellow triangle. Just right click on it, select update drivers and also make sure you have the SIM on your SIM slot 1 instead of SIM slot 2. On PC, I'll select browse my computer for drivers and then select this option. Let me pick from the list of available drivers. Make sure you have selected show all devices. Hit next, have disk, tap on have disk and now again browse the drivers. So all my drivers are here. Under this folder, you need to select this file which is qcmdm.inf. Select this and tap on open. Hit OK. From here, you need to select the first one which is Qualcomm Android modem 9018. Do not select any other stuff. Make sure to select the first one. Hit next. Select yes. And we have successfully installed the drivers. Now in the device manager under modem, you will see Qualcomm Android modem 9018. So this process is completed. Now let's go back and here now you need to install this QPST tool. So this also can be found in the description below. Here is the setup file. Double click and install it. It's quite normal. I've already installed it. So I'll open that. Here you can see QPST configuration. Open this. Now if you open it for the first time, here you won't see any kind of ports. Go to the port section, tap on add new port, select COM9. This COM9 may be different for you guys, but on my device when I did previously it was COM6 and now it is COM9, so you don't have to worry about it. Whichever is the first option, select that and hit OK. Now you have to go to start client, tap on EFS Explorer, select your device, I'll tap on OK, and this process might take little bit of time. Meanwhile, let me show you. I'll disable Wi-Fi so that you guys will have a better idea whether I'm having 4G or 5G right now. So you can see right now I have 4G running on my OnePlus 8 which have OxygenOS 11 installed. Until that process is getting completed, also download the application called Force LTE. So this is that application which we need to install. So once that process is completed, you'll see this pop-up where you have a lot of files. So from here you need to scroll down and you need to search for Policyman. Double click on it and from here you need to delete these two files. I mean to say the top ones. Let me show you the name. So one is Career Policy and the second one is Career Policy Subscription 01. Select these two files and delete them. Now you have to add these two files again which are given in the description below. So right click in the empty space, select new, select file and now locate that file. So those files are here, you can see career_policy and career policy subscription 1. So one by one add these two files. Now we'll select the second file. And we are done with the process. After that, now on your phone you have to open this application which is Force LTE. Allow all the required necessary permissions. Next, accept the policies. From here you need to select the second option which is method 2 which says Android 11 Plus. Tapping on it, don't make any changes under phone index. If you scroll down, we have an option called set preferred network type. From here you need to select NR. If NR doesn't work, then select the second option which is NR/LTE. On my device, I initially did with NR but I did not get the 5G services. So I have to select the option second one which is NR/LTE. Once I do this, you will see 5G in action on my OnePlus 8 running OxygenOS 11. And guys, in this process, whenever you reboot your device will again get back to 4G. So in that case, what you have to do is open the application and change the preferred network type. The method is quite simple guys, and this will allow access of 5G on your any Qualcomm device running OxygenOS 11. It's that simple. So guys, this way you can get 5G on your OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 11. If you guys still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can join a Telegram group. So as of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.